Hello, how you doing? My name is Carl. I'm one of the founders here of the Crypto Warriors, along with some of my co-founders. I need to mention their names, make sure I give them a shout out, because at times you will be hearing from them as well. First, I want to start off with my boy Todd, Tropical Todd, and Eugene. And the purpose of this channel will just be covering um different information in this space, the wild, wild world of crypto. Whether you're a crypto warrior that's already been battle tested and already, have some skin in the game, or whether you're a new warrior waiting to be proven and get into this battlefield and, get some of these crypto profits and get to that victory circle, you will find some value out of this channel. So let's first talk about some basics, where to buy Bitcoin. Um, One of the easiest places is obviously, for those of you who don't know, is Coinbase. Very user friendly. You could link your bank account, go back and forth from fiat to digital currency or cryptocurrencies. You're able to buy and sell here. Oh man, you could pick up Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. Um, this is one of the easiest platforms to use. There are some fees, but there is a way, and I'll show you in a later video on how you could dodge them of those fees with using um, the GDAX platform, which is an exchange that's actually, once you sign up with Coinbase, you'll automatically get access to GDAX because Coinbase owns GDAX. So this one place, these are one of the exchanges. There's many. Um, there's Gemini. Oh boy. Changely. These are all different exchanges. They have different fees. A lot of them, you're gonna see limited anonymity. There's gonna be that KYC, know your customer. So you're gonna have to upload, whether it be birth certificate, just proof of identification, address, all types of things. Last four of social, the whole nine. Another place where you could buy some Bitcoins is local Bitcoins. Nice place right here, as far as more anonymity, multiple verified buyers that you can buy from, multiple payment options, PayPal. You can meet people and pay in cash. Oh man, credit card. This is actually, and this is worldwide. So all you got to do is type in your zip code. They'll pull up the buyers in your area. You're protected, both buyers and sellers, because they have an escrow integrated into this platform. And yeah, this is a top spot as well. Also, you have ATMs, Bitcoin ATMs. Just do a quick Google search, figure out where the closest Bitcoin ATMs near you. Those ATMs, for most of them, they're gonna have more anonymity, um, fast and easy to use, but they are hard to find. There are some heavy fees, and sometimes good old ATMs, man, they could also be broken. Moving along, I want to talk about some of the things myself and other co-founders are going to be touching some topics. Trading right here, you're seeing Coin Market Cap. This is a list of all the altcoins, just to give you an idea, just in case you're a newbie. Any coin other than Bitcoin is considered an altcoin, alternative coin. And this list is deep. Woo! Look at it. I'm still going. Oh man. And it's getting bigger and bigger. Even though more coins are dropping off daily, a lot of them no proven business model, just really trying to get in this crypto space and get rich quick. Uh, a lot of fluff, scams, if you want to call it that. Just like we've seen in any other boom, the dot-com bubble, housing bubble, all these booms, there's gonna be the scammers. Anyway, 1,426 altcoins. You could throw a dart at this choice, at this chart, and good luck trying to pick a winner or some magical coin that you think is gonna make it to the top. Trust me. Look at these coins. Man, I'm being honest with you. This is a lot of these are junk, pure junk, pure junk. Look at this. I saw this the other day. Um, Me and Eugene, one of the co-founders, was laughing at this. What the heck is a titty coin? Come on, let's be for real. Pure junk. Anyway, back to the chart. Um, Eugene will probably be covering, you know, um, which coins are good for holding, or more, a better term is hodling. Hold on for dear life. It's a term you'll hear in this crypto space, hodl. You'll hear another term, FUD, F-U-D, fear, uncertainty, doubt. FOMO, fear of missing out. Uh, yeah, there's some terms, I'll definitely brief some of you newbies on so you could get a little idea of the lingo in this crypto space. But back to this chart, this huge chart with all these altcoins. I want to give you a quick comparison of what I've found, and I'm not the first person to talk about this. Other YouTubers, other people have mentioned this before, but I found this interesting. Right here, this is a list of all the automobile manufacturers, and this is only of the United States. We're not talking about worldwide, but look at this list. Look at this list. Oh my goodness. I don't even know the name of 90% of these automobile manufacturers that were once around, very short-lived. I'm gonna keep going, I'm gonna keep going, I'm gonna keep going, I'm gonna keep going, I'm still going. Look at this list. Does this remind you of this list right here? And if you go back to this list of the automobile manufacturers, how many of these are actually around today? Not many. 90% of these have dropped off. Just like right here, in the next 5 years, 90% of these altcoins will not be here. In the next 5 years, maybe less than that. Things move so fast in the world of crypto. 1 week is like 1 month. 1 month is like 1 year. 1 year is like a decade. So we have to move with the pace and stay, just make sure we're paying attention to what's going on. You sleep too long in this crypto space, you could lose your shirt. But Eugene will be going over some of his trading strategies. I'm going to be really covering, flipping these ICOs, underground, one of the hottest markets, hottest niches in this crypto, what we call it, vertical right now. Oh my goodness, these ICOs. This one is actually sold out. ICO, initial coin offering. We know IPO is initial public offering. Differences, IPO, the average person like you and I can't get involved. ICO, initial coin offering, yes, we can get in. Not sure how long, no one really knows before they really crack down and, make sure that the average person won't be able to get a piece of this pie, because people are becoming millionaires in this crypto space every day. So I'll talk about more about these ICOs, how to get involved, how do I go about picking them. I have a certain criteria I like to follow, and it's important because if you don't have a strategy, you will lose. This is, you try not to really take any gambles because I don't know, for me, strategy wins, gambling loses. And if you take your time and have a sound strategy, you could really, gain some profits, lower your risk. This is high risk, some of these platforms, but through the course of deductive reasoning, doing your due diligence, you'll figure out, which ones are the more official ICOs to get involved in, or even altcoins that you should be investing in to hodl hold on for dear life, maybe for short term, midterm, or long term. Um, I'm going to keep this video short. I just wanted to give an introduction of what this channel is about. And I also want to say, you know, we are not financial advisors here at the Crypto Warriors. You must do your due diligence when making any investment. Myself and other co-founders of the Crypto Warriors are simply just showing what we are doing with our money. So you have to make your own decision. Use your instincts, your intuition. Take all this information, cross-reference it with other information you're finding via YouTube, Google, and really make your own decision. No one is telling you must do anything. This is not how it works. We're all grown adults. We all know this is a risk, and make sure you risk only what you're willing to lose. I hear stories about people, oh my goodness, emptying their 401ks and all that to buy Bitcoin, and a lot of them are buying it high at the top. They're not even understanding, just there's certain times where you want to buy at certain dips, and oh man, there's so much to go into. The right wallets to use to protect yourself. There are external wallets, um, like Exodus and blockchain. All these things we'll go over. For those of you who may not know how to set up a wallet yet, may not know even how to just go on Coinbase and simply just buy some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, some Litecoin, some Bitcoin Cash. We'll go over those things. So like I said, from a newbie all the way up to a seasoned vet, you'll be able to find some value out of this channel. And I just want to thank you all for taking the time to listen to this video. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you can stay up to date with what's going on in the crypto battlefield. And I'll see you fellow warriors of crypto in the victory circle.